Good morning students. Today we are going to continue exercise 2.1. Today we are going to solve 15th problem. The 15th problem is Garima buys 4,500 marbles. First one is she gives 2,000 marbles to Ankush and buys 250 more. How many marbles does she have now? And the second one is if Garima gets 1,275 more marbles from her friend Priyanka, find the number of marbles she has in the end. Now look at this first statement. Garima buys 4,500 marbles. Let us write that first. Marbles Garima bought. That is 4,500. She gives 2,000 marbles to Ankush. Marbles given to Ankush is 2,000 and buys 250 more. Now Garima buys 250 more marbles. Extra marbles got by Garima is 250. Now we have to find how many marbles does she have now. Marbles she has now equal to 4,500 minus 2,000 less 250. First we have to subtract 4,500 and 2,000 and we will get an answer. To that answer you have to add 250. Zero minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have got 2,500. To this answer you have to add 250 more. Zero plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Here we don't have any number, so write 2 as it is. So marbles she have now is 2,750. The next one is if Garima gets 1,275 more marbles from her friend Priyanka, find the number of marbles she has in the end. Marbles got from Priyanka is 1,275. Now what we have to find? number of marbles she has in the end. So we have to add 2750 and 1275. Zero plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So write 2 here and 1 is carried to next place. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So write 0 here and carry 1 to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Marbles she has in the end is 4025. The 16th problem is find the sum of 45,276 and 4,35,723. Now find the sum of 4,35,723 and 45,276. Is the sum of both the addition statements the same? First we have to add 45,276 and 4,35,723. Plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. Again 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 here and carry 1 to next place. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Here we don't have any number, so write 4 as it is. So 45,276 plus 4,35,723 equal to 4,80,999. Next we have to add 4,35,723 and 45,276. 4,35,723 and 45,276. We have to add both the numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 here and carry 1 to next place. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Here we don't have any number, so write 4 as it is. $4,35,723 plus 45,276 is 4,80,999. What is asked in the question is the sum of both the addition statements the same. You can see that both the answers are same. So we have to write yes, the sum of both the addition statements are same. We have to remember that 5 plus 2 is 7 and 2 plus 5 is also 7. So here the sum of both the addition statements are same. That is 45,276 plus 4,35,723 is the same as 4,35,723 plus 45,276. Next we are going to solve exercise 2.2 problems. Exercise 2.2 problems is subtraction of large numbers. The first one is subtract. We have to subtract from the leftmost number and move towards right. See here we are going to subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is 6042. See here we cannot subtract 2 from 0 because 2 is greater than 0. So we have to borrow from the before number. Continuously we have zeros here. So we have to borrow from 5. So 5 will be changed as 4 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 14,188. The second problem is subtract the number at the top of each table from each of the numbers in the left column. Write the difference in the right column. Now numbers are given. We are going to subtract from these numbers. That is, we are going to subtract 33,487 from 92,613. See here 7 is greater than 3. So we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 1 will be changed as 0 and 3 will be changed as 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 8 is greater than 0. So we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 6 will be changed as 5 and 0 will be changed as 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. See here 3 is greater than 2. So we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 9 will be changed as 8 and 2 will be changed as 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 59,126. Next we are going to subtract 33,487 from 78,671. See here, 7 is greater than 1. So we cannot subtract. We have to borrow from the before number. So 7 will be changed as 6 and 1 will be changed as 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Again 8 is greater than 6. We cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 6 will be changed as 5 and this 6 will be changed as 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer is 45,184. Next we are going to subtract 33,487 from 5,20,000. See here, 7 is greater than 0. So we cannot subtract. We have to borrow from the before number. Continuously we are having 0. So we have to borrow from 2. So 2 will be changed as 1 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. So 10 will be changed as 9 and 0 will be changed as 10. Again we have to borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 is greater than 1. We cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the before number. The before number here is 5. So 5 will be changed as 4 and 1 will be changed as 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Here we don't have any number. So write 4 as it is. So the answer is 4,86,513. The third problem is write the missing digits. We are going to fill the boxes with the numbers. See here, first one is 10 minus 1 is 9. Next 9 minus a number is 1. We have to fill this box with the number. To find this number we have to subtract 1 from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. See here, 9 minus 8 is 1. We have got the answer as 8. Next, 8 minus 7 is 1. See here, the box is in the first place. If the box is in the first place, we have to add these two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Next, 8 minus 2 is 6. Next, we have to subtract a number from 6 to get 4. So, we are going to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. We have got the answer. Next, 5 minus a number is 0. That number will be 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. The box is in the first place. So we have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11. But in the box we have to write only one number. That is 1. We cannot subtract 3 from 1 because 3 is greater than 1. So we have to borrow from the before number. So 8 will be changed as 7 and 1 will be changed as 11. 7 minus 7 is 0. See here, we cannot subtract 4 from 3 because 4 is greater than 3. So we have to borrow from the before number. I have borrowed from the before number. 30 minus 4 is 9. Here the number is missing. We have borrowed 1 from that number and the answer is given as 1. We don't have any number here. So the number must be 2. And 1 is borrowed to 13. So 2 will be changed as 1. So we have got the answer. Thank you, students.